Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable alerts for media processing notifications on the X app. If you've ever missed an important update because your phone didn't notify you, this quick guide will make sure that never happens again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your settings customized so you always stay on top of what's happening inside the app. Let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open your phone's settings. This is where you can control how all your apps behave on your device. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, from your list of installed apps, find and select X app. This is where you'll be able to manage everything related to notifications and permissions for that specific app. Once you've tapped into it, look for the option called Notifications and give it a tap. Inside the notifications settings, you'll notice an option called Notification Categories. This is an important step because it lets you break down the types of notifications one by one, allowing you to customize what really matters to you. Tap on Notification Categories, and you'll see a list of different options. From here, scroll until you see Media Processing. This is the category that controls notifications relating to media being processed inside the app. Tap on Media Processing, and now you'll be presented with different choices for how you'd like to receive these notifications. To make sure you don't miss any updates, select Alert. This setting will ensure that whenever media is being processed in the X app, you'll receive a clear and noticeable notification right away. And that's it. You've successfully enabled alerts for media processing notifications on the X app. Following these steps guarantees you'll never be left wondering when your media is ready or if anything is happening in the background. So just to quickly recap, go to Settings, tap on Apps, select X app, choose Notifications, then Notification Categories, find Media Processing, and finally select Alert. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching.